When you create a document, it's automatically put in Google Drive or the folder that was active if you created it in Drive. While it's nice to know where your document is saved and safely stored, you can organize your documents so they're easier to find. You can put your document into the folder you want while editing the document. First, at the top, open the document, click Move To. If your document's already in a folder, the folder's name will be listed at the top. You can use the arrows to navigate your folders in Drive. When you find the folder you need, click it to select it. To place the document in the folder, click Move. To create a folder, at the bottom, click New Folder. The new folder can go in Drive or a subfolder inside an existing folder. First, give the new folder a name. After you enter a name, click Create Folder. Finally, click Move here to put your document inside the folder. Congratulations, you now know how to put a document into a folder in Google Docs.